I want to thank all the organizing committee who have been able to support us on the event. It has been tough. I remember some have been sleeping in the airport to ensure that our guests are comfortable and well taken care of, self-available. And this is a big achievement because it has been a tall order to win any medal in other Africa Games. And this time we have improved, and as a host, we have sent a very strong statement. I want to thank the Ministry of Sports under the leadership of Madam Amina Mohamed for supporting chess. I think chess have really enjoyed big support just like any other sports. We have seen quite many teams being supported either to host or to participate in very prestigious events. And this is what we have always looked forward. I really appreciate the ministry for supporting the event as the main sponsor.
My name is Elizabeth Cassidy and I'm 10 years old. I live in Kitale. I'm playing under 11 girls and I am really proud of myself because I got gold. I've won 9 out of 9. I think in our category I'm the only one who got 9 out of 9 and I'm very happy and I want to thank God for this opportunity that he gave me. And I want to thank my parents for supporting me all this time and helping me to train hard.
I won first place in the under 15 girls category at the African Schools Individual Chess Championships held in Kenya, Nairobi. I feel happy because I set goals before my chess tournament, and for this tournament, my goal was to come first. So I think that's a good thing. I think it's good to set goals before tournaments because then you sort of like work towards that and you push and you're determined because you're going towards something. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm so excited to go to the World Schools. That is gonna be so exciting. So yeah, looking forward to World Schools.
I won the under 15 category. I was the first and I was able to get gold. I'm from Uganda and I study in St. Mary's College, Kisubi. I am 14 years old and I am happy I won this medal because it has been a tough walk throughout because this has been like my fourth international event, and throughout my 3 international events I've not been able to get one medal. So getting this medal, a gold medal in this tournament, helped me and it has inspired me and encouraged me to play in more international events. And so
Hello, my name is Lakshita Dutt and I am playing for the Malawian Federation. I feel very happy to be able to secure the first place in this tournament. I'm very excited for the world to play in the World Games, and I want to say thank you to the Kenyan Chess Federation and to all my mentors.
That I train. I came to take part in this tournament. My expectations were to get out at least with the title, top 3, yeah. And God was grateful and I came out first position. I'm taking away the gold medal. I expect to win more and more games to come.